Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Hakim Ibn Ramli and my supervisor name is Ms. Shafnida binti Abdul Halim. And today I want to present about my final year project, which is development of real-time text-to-text language translation in web chat room. So for the introduction part, language barrier in the global communication, especially in multilingual country. For example, in Malaysia, there is Malay, Chinese, and also Indian. So real-time translation enable instant communication across the various different of language. But current translation tools often rely on external service, which can be costly and dependent on internet scalability. So existing system also face few limitation like latency, cost, and also inconsistent translation quality. Dependence on third-party API can restrict the accessibility and increase the expenses. So it need for a self-content and also a real-time translation platform that integrate into a chat environment. So for the main objective in this project, first, design and implement a web-based real-time text translation system within a chat room. Second, ensure the system is user-friendly, reliable, and also free from external translation service costs. Third, evaluate performance, accuracy, and also usability through various of testing. So for the methodology model that I use to implement this project, which is the waterfall model, there are a few components, which is information gathering, requirement gathering, project design, project development, testing, result analysis, and lastly documentation. So for the information gathering and also the requirement analysis, uh, I use I research in the internet and also search for hardware and software that I want to use for my project. For the project design, I plan the system architecture, including how to integrate the front end, back end, and also the database. So for the testing, I use two testing, which is the functionality testing and also the user acceptance testing. Okay, this is the flowchart that I organized in this project. Firstly, start with the start process, and then user can go into the chat room by login or register first the account. After that, they can choose the chat room and then testing by sending the message. So after that, system will detect the language that using API based on the language preferred on the register page. So if the operation falls, message cannot be sent. And if the process through and success to send the message, message will translate into the receiver preferred language. So after that, display the translated message in the user interface part. Then after that, the process will looping using the other message. In this testing part, I include one of the testing table that I use to test my project, which is the first table, user acceptance testing using Wi-Fi connection. So as you can see in the table, most of the message being sent using the different language pair, and also being translated to check the translation accuracy. Not only that, I try to check the latency to make sure that the timing become less than 2 seconds. So for the conclusion, this translation system successfully facilitate the real-time multilingual communication with the result of the testing, and also get the high accuracy and low latency result. It primarily rely on internet connectivity and also the open source API to translate the message, which can sometimes affect the translation quality, particularly for slang and other phrase. Currently, the system is web-based, but future enhancement could include other features, for example, like offline support, expand language option, and also developing in mobile platform. Overall, the system aim to bridge the language gap and also promote easier global interaction.